night routine go? Where did the morning routine go?
This is me every single week.
My Nespresso machine's in here. I have it literally tattooed on my butt right here. Can you see?
Like, is this what it feels like to be a clean girl?
The fact that I look forward to eating salads is so crazy. I literally just mopped my entire house. Good morning! Except it's not the morning. Also, I just want to thank Kohl's for sponsoring this video, but we'll talk about that later. Ugh, I have been doing nothing all day, y'all. I like planned out a whole like, oh, this is what I'm gonna do today. Like, be so productive. Like, today's the day. And I literally just got off the couch and the day's almost over, but not in my head, okay? The day's just getting started. I just got back from a trip, you know? You're just like not in routine, or like you leave your home for a while, or I don't know, you just like aren't in routine, and then when you try to get back into it, it's like it's not fun. But you know what though? I did come back to a decently clean home. This is what this does not look clean on camera. I promise you it's clean. There's just like a mess right there. But my house is like low-key getting furnished now, so it feels a little bit more cozy and it doesn't feel so much like a jail cell, you know? It didn't like really feel like that before, but just like the sound was echoing like crazy. Anyways, today I should probably go to the gym and walk, which I don't want to do. But I bought a Nespresso machine, okay? I literally have a Nespresso machine waiting for me to be unopened right now. But I'm like, oh my gosh, do I have the energy to even open it right now? Which is so bad because I'm thinking that I should go get a coffee to unbox the Nespresso machine to like have the energy to do it, which makes, I know, no sense, but that's what's going on in my head right now. But at the same time, I'm like, you're literally so jet lagged. Like, it's currently 3 p.m. and like you're just getting your day started. You do not need a coffee. But I also have my gaming chair to unbox. We can set up my gaming setup, like my PC. I want to go get a plant because it's not looking very earthy in here, and I need to go get a shower curtain, a shower rod, and it's just a lot that I do not want to do. Do I look like I want to go to the gym right now? Because I don't. Ew, y'all, my legs are so ashy. Like, you can literally see that they're like, oh, do you see how ashy my legs are, or am I tripping? No, I'm not tripping. Look at that. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Ugh, not gonna lie, but I think that I've just been in such like a lazy, unmotivated, don't want to do anything, like literally what is my passions in life type mood. But like, where did the night routine go? Where did the morning routine go? Where did the daily affirmations and I'm so grateful for this every single day go? Like, where did the recapping of what I'm feeling go? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I just don't have a morning routine or a night routine, and I also don't know what's going on in my mind because like I don't even sit down to process things. I'm just on the go, on the go, on the go, on the go, on the go. And I've just been hanging out with people, which doesn't seem like it's a problem, but I literally went from not hanging out with people at all and hibernating and like being in my routine and like being on my hot girl to like hang out with people, going out, being a social human being, which like scientifically is supposed to make you happier because like the relationships and connections you have with people in life is like kind of what fulfills you the most. It's like I'm doing too much of that to the point where I don't even know what I'm feeling anymore, and it's like I'm just so unmotivated and like don't know what I'm doing because like I'm just like not in a safe split. Wait, what? I'm just like not in like a safe place, if that makes any sense, because like I don't have like my routine to go back to, and like I don't have like a morning routine or a night routine to be like, oh, I'm so excited to sit down and like write all about my day and be like, this is how I felt today. If anything, I've just been hanging out with people or like just traveling. This sounds like first world problems is what this sounds like. I'ma shut up. But do you know what I mean though? So right now I'm trying to like get back on my routine and like, you know what I mean, wake up and like be productive. But at the same time, I'm like, girl, how do you not check your phone the minute that you wake up? Now I'm like in bed. Anyways, now I'm going to go get myself a coffee and go to the gym.
One eternity later.
Please tell me why I just sat down and watched YouTube videos for like 30 minutes instead of going to the gym. I'm just realizing that I think the word to describe how I'm feeling is disconnected. I feel so disconnected. Do y'all ever feel disconnected, or am I like weird for that? I just feel like the best way I can describe it is I don't know what's going on. I'm thinking we go downstairs and pick up my Nespresso machine and just make an espresso instead of going out and spending money. Like, how lazy am I? Let's go. I can't believe they finally decided to have a dedicated section in the mailroom for me. They were like, yep, officially, we've decided.
This is me every single week.
It's a cart full of packages. my Nespresso machine's in here. So I went to Hawaii to visit Ava and she made me some coffee using her Nespresso machine. And when I tell you, it was some of the best tasting coffee I've ever had in my life, I'm not joking. And maybe it's because I'm not a coffee connoisseur, but I had to get one. And I also just want to thank Kohl's for sponsoring this video. But like honestly, it doesn't even feel like a sponsor because like it's literally just me unboxing stuff from Kohl's, so don't click out. Ah, my Crocs! Okay, we'll talk about that in a sec. I gave myself a cardboard cut. That was supposed to be an aesthetic shot. Ugh, I hated that. Oh my god. My morning routines are about to be elevated. A milk frother? It's a 2-in-1, baby. I have never had an automatic coffee maker. I don't even know how that works. This is my dedicated Nespresso corner. Now we have to pick out what Nespresso we want. Huh? I thought that they were just giving me like 2 or 3. Look at this. There's so many. What do I want? I'm actually in awe right now. The packaging of these like things are so cute. I've never had like a machine like this. All right, we're gonna have one of these barista creations. This one, I hope you're all as excited as I am because like, do you see how aesthetic this looks? All right, so you lift this up. I should probably get, did you see how it just went? I want a glass. Oh, it really just like works like that. Oh my God. We're witnessing this for the first time ever. Oh my God. Wait, that's it? Babes, what was that? That was it? I'm like, is this coffee just like really strong? Time to froth some milk. I don't know if this is overdue or not because they've definitely opened in my fridge for way longer than they probably should have been. I kind of love this. All of a sudden I'm motivated once again. When they say money doesn't buy happiness. I'm in a mood right now. A little chai creamer. All right, lid on. Are you ready to see some magic? Oh my gosh. Wow, like why is this so little? I'm like, do I have to adjust? Can I press this again? Oh, it most definitely can make me some more coffee. It's just like water, I guess though. All right, I think it's done. We have a cup of coffee, a little bit watered down on accident, but frothed milk. Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Sheesh! That was perfect. I think I put too much water in it, but it tastes really good though, but just like not like coffee. This tastes good though. But did y'all see where's the box? I also got some Crocs too because I have these white strawberry Crocs, but they're back in Canada, but like I wear them all the time. They're my favorite Crocs. But you know what I love more than strawberries? Cherries. And I'm not lying. I have it literally tattooed on my butt right here. Can you see? So I had to buy them. Here we go. They're my new black strawberry Crocs. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with Crocs. Because I only have one pair of Crocs here in New York. But now that I have these, I'm actually never taking them off. They're a lot cuter than I thought that they would be in person. I'm with the old and with the new. So freaking cute. These are now my signature Crocs, is these black strawberry ones. I also got these from Kohl's, but this just goes to show that Kohl's is a one-stop shop. They got everything you need, from your Crocs to your Nespresso machine, to a mop, which I need to show y'all later, to clothing. Oh my God, they even got New Balance. You know how like New Balance is like trendy right now, even though they're like kind of like dad shoes? Kohl's got New Balance as well. Anyways, should I go work out? Is this coffee hitting? I kind of want to make another one, but I know that I don't need it because it's almost 4 o'clock. But I'm like, do I have self-control or not? Okay, I just got back from the gym, but I'm thinking maybe you and I, we go on like a little walk and go to the plant store. I'm gonna also go get a shower curtain by chance. Let's go on a walk outside before it gets dark out because I've been procrastinating all day. Okay, so for the fit, for a little walk to go get plants and then also shower curtain and then maybe some other things, I'm gonna wear this green Hawaii sweatshirt. It's like a Champion one, but look how cute this is. I love the green. This is like my favorite color to wear. And then I'm also gonna wear some just shorts underneath because I just want it to like kind of look like I'm not wearing any shorts, if that makes sense, like an oversized, like, oh my gosh, this is my boyfriend's sweatshirt, but in reality, I bought it myself. But is that thing hanging back there? I'm like, can you see the booty? I'm like, do I wear Crocs with this or like white Vans? You know what I mean? Like, do I want to be like cutesy and girly still? Crocs are still girly, but like, you know what I mean? Like white Vans really could complete this look so I look put together. But I'm like, do I care? By the way, this whole fit is from Kohl's. This is what I mean when I say you can get an espresso machine, a mop, your clothes, anything, Kohl's got you. But I got these Vans from there, and they're just like these white Vans, and I think it could like look cute with this whole fit. But at the same time, I'm like, does it look too put together? Like, that's not me, you know? Like, I can't decide which one I want to wear. Crocs or Vans? Maybe I should just like put on Vans. With Kohl's, if you want to buy something, you can just buy it online and pick it up in 2 hours. How convenient is that? You can shop in-store or online. And they do curbside pickup. I think. Pretty sure they do. But 2 hours? Oh my God. Because I don't know about you, but I'm the type of person to be like really impulsive when I buy things. So if it says it's gonna get here in 5 days, I'm like instantly no. And I go try to find another place. Y'all remember when like the checkered Vans were really a thing? And then also white Vans? Oh my God, my socks are so dirty. This is not cute. Like my sock is gray. I'm like, do I care? Again, no. Oh my God, I feel so put together. I'm like, is this what it feels like to be a clean girl? All right, let's go on our hot girl walk. Alright, I'm currently walking around right now. I honestly have no destination. I was supposed to go to Target to go get some things, but I just spent way too much money at the plant store that I don't even feel like going there anymore, but I'm just walking around aimlessly. But I love that you can do that in New York, and it's just so like lively, like the amount of people that go outside. That is something that I really love about New York. I'm feeling a salad right now, which is surprising. Let's make a salad. Tastes good to me. Do y'all see how aesthetic this is? Look at this. Oh my God. Now it's time to drizzle the dressing. The reason why I make my own dressing is because I feel like a bunch of dressings that you buy out have like so much added sugar or like all this stuff that you don't need, you know? This tastes real good to me. Now the salad is ugly. Add a little pepper, salt, a little nutritional yeast so that it tastes like cheese. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. I'm so excited to eat this. And I know that I sound so weird getting excited over salad. Like, come on girl, there's like hamburgers to eat. But like, I don't know why, but my addiction lately has been acai bowls and like salads like this where there's like a bunch of stuff in them. Yeah. Oh my gosh, loaded like salads are actually good. The fact that I look forward to eating salads is so crazy. Y'all gotta try this. This has everything. All right, I just got this new mop. It's from Kohl's. Once again, I'm not lying when I say Kohl's is a one-stop shop, but this is like a mop from Shark. It's like a steam mop, so it kind of goes crazy, but I haven't had a working mop since I basically moved in here because the one that I bought broke. So I'm excited to finally have a new one because I don't know, I feel like when you have shiny, like clean floors, it just feels different when you take your socks off. But for real though, if I was like moving out into my own place and I needed to shop somewhere, I would shop at Kohl's. And I did not know that they had all this stuff. Like, I'm not joking. Like, I didn't know Kohl's sold like cleaning stuff and like home stuff and clothes. I don't know what I thought it was, but they actually have everything that you need and it's at a good price. It's working! Oh my God, and they sell like a bunch of beauty stuff and perfumes and stuff like that. Like, I did not know Kohl's sold that stuff. I probably should have vacuumed before this. Oh my god, I'm gonna quickly vacuum right now. Plans for about a week now. I want to show you the update. They haven't died yet or anything like that, surprisingly, because I was really scared that maybe in here it wouldn't do very well, but they've been thriving. I'll have the Instagram of the shop down below and also their address. I want to go check it out. It's a super cool store. So we have this one, which, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with the way it kind of like arches over with the view of the Empire State in the back. We have this tree. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize this, but apparently this tree is like 50 or 70 years old, something like that. I have it elevated on this thing so that when you walk in, it just like is kind of like the center of attention. Your eye kind of pulls in. But there's like such pretty flowers on it, and they're literally like all over, like right there, right there. And I think it looks so pretty. And then we have like this really like long bean, which I love. I don't know why I love it so much, but it really caught my eye. And then in the entryway of my kitchen, I've always wanted this, but I never could find the right plant, so I just had like a shelf here. But oh my gosh, I love this like bonsai planter, and I think that it fits so well right here. This is what the apartment looks like overall right now. I'm just waiting on a coffee table, and then I honestly think that everything's gonna be done. I'm so happy with how everything's turning out. Like, you guys don't understand like how much I love my space now, which is crazy because I have never felt at home, and this is the first time I've ever felt like I've actually had a home. Even growing up, I never felt like my home was my home. So I'm not trying to get emotional right now because just kidding. Validate your feelings. But yeah, I've been traveling this month, and I actually felt the feeling of homesickness for the first time ever in my life, which is so crazy to me. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for giving me the opportunity to live this life, because I know that I wouldn't have any of it without any of you guys watching my videos. I literally just mopped my entire house. It feels so good though. I took my socks off because now I know my floors aren't dirty. But yeah, y'all can shop Kohl's for literally anything that you need in your life, in store or online at kohls.com. Thank you so much to Kohl's for sponsoring this video.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.